I would have met you earlier and told you this. Please sit, please sit. Told you this so that when you would have gone up, you would have felt the vibe and felt that vibration on that very mountain. Nevertheless, next time if you happen to come here, I wish you were to stay a day longer. On 18th, we are going up again. We could have gone together and I would have shown you places which holds so much importance there. But nevertheless, did you go right up?
Yeah.
And did you see the idol there, the big one?
The biggest temple.
Yes. Adinath, they say, right? It's been said that there are 24 of them in Jainism, and he was the first one, and he himself has come on this mountain. Not once, twice, but there is a specific 10-digit number that many times he's come on this mountain himself. So when we also go and we feel the vibration, and that's what any person from outside India I meet, and I tell them that not just the beauty, not just the calmness, but feel the vibe of the souls that have attained salvation here. And let's just pray that your soul, mine, and everybody soon attains salvation from that very mountain. Yeah. I don't know how much did you get it. I don't know if my accent was too hard for you, but
It's good. You're very clear.
is it understandable?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I just hope
इनको
that.
थोड़ा बहुत समझाइए तो एक बार आदिनाथ के दादा के जाते हो कभी ना कभी मोक्ष जाएगा एंड मोक्ष के बारे में थोड़ा सा दोगे डिटेल समझाइए
That's okay. Let me finish. No, please finish. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, Brahmana.
Well, very, very small summary. I'll tell her later.
All right. You having problem in understanding? Okay. I'll try speaking in slow so that you probably can catch my lips words. Alright. They say that that's a gift. Oh, for everybody. Yes. So they say you've taken birth as a human. Alright. There is a never-ending cycle of birth and death. You were born as a human. Probably your soul again will born as something else. Human again. So that cycle is never-ending. If you want to break that cycle and stop that cycle, they say when your soul attains salvation, alright, that cycle breaks, that cycle stops, and then your soul never, roams these birth and death cycles again, right? The soul who happens to climb the mountain, like for instance, to come here in India, you needed a visa, right? Could you come without that? If I want to visit France, I'm going to need a visa on my passport, right? Likewise, if you want to attain salvation, you need a stamp, a visa stamp of this mountain. If you've come to this mountain, it is certain that yours and your soul will definitely attain salvation. That is a guarantee. Everybody. I have my friend here. Please. So by birth, she's not born in jail. She's Catholic and she's Punjabi. My soulmates, if I was one of them before. Could you show my earlier picture to her, please? Okay, so the turning point that came in my life and made me who I am today as a monk, they were pillars to me. So I made her climb once. The other one is going to climb for the first time on 18th with me. And I'm going to get her stamp. That's me earlier, like one of y'all. And I have become this. Yes.
This was her earlier in her heydays. Now she's taking the shot. Yeah.
So, you guys have already been there out. You guys have got your stamp. You guys have got your visa. You don't know when. Maybe hundreds of births, thousands of births later. But you will attain salvation. That is for sure. mom taking that one up on 18th and getting her visa done. I'm just going to pray that your health, you be happy wherever you are. I'll pray for you and you pray for me. And we attain salvation together.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're most welcome.